line-up of riders for the first international motocross race to be held in Britain got off to a flying but dusty start at Brands Hatch in Kent on Sunday. The sport is increasing in popularity and is becoming international in outlook. The name of the meeting being, in fact, l'International Motocross des Nations. A great deal of skill and grit is required to sustain the course, which follows a very tortuous route over narrow woodland paths, mud, adverse cambers, and even, in this case, a bomb crater. These takeoffs, an airfield would seem to be indicated. British riders have been doing well in these events on the continent, and it gave great satisfaction to the crowded spectators to see Britain's riders romp home, not only in the individual events, but in the team race as well. The aggregate time for the team race was 3 hours 30 minutes for Britain and 3 hours 33 minutes for Belgium, their nearest rivals. The magnificent riding of H. Lyons was instrumental in bringing these results. Here he is being flagged home the winner. A laurel wreath round his neck denotes the symbol of the victor. And by his win, he carves another niche in the Hall of Honour in competitive motorcycling for Britain.